Alright, boys and girls, so welcome to Gordon Guitar. And I want to highlight this artist here called Majid Jordan. This song is called Forget About a Party. So this one is not that hyped, this artist, and he makes a lot of good stuff here. I heard a couple songs, and this one is not an exception here. Forget About a Party. It's very soft and cool, and yeah, pretty fun to play as well. I like this rhythm of the song here. And yeah, let's go. We don't need any capo for this one, and we have 4 basic chords to learn. I mean basic, just how they are, but we will really work with some pattern here. So that is based upon these chords, of course. So let's start with the chords first. It's the A. So you're gonna play the open A string, the second D, the second G, second B, and open E. The next chord will be E. So open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. Next chord will be B. So you need to bar the second fret here from the A string and down. That means these 5 strings here. And the rest will be 4th on D, 4th on G, and 4th on B. And the last chord will be C sharp minor. So you grab the chord here on the 4th fret. You need to bar that one from the A string and down, 5 string there as well. And the rest will be 6 here on the D, 6 on G, and 5th on the B string. So those are the chords. But you will only grab the full chords for the pre-choruses, just small parts of this song here. The rest of the song will be based upon these chords, but we'll play this plucking pattern here for the chords. So if we look at the intro, which will also be used in the verses here, it sounds like this first, and I'm going to show you how it's played. So let's go. Yeah, so that's the intro. Okay, so it's based upon the A, the E, and the B. All right, so when you play the A part here, you're gonna play the open A string. Then it's enough to just play the second D and the second G together. And then comes this clap here. Like that. And then you do it again, so 2 times. And notice there, pause, have a small pause there after the second time I hit this open A. So pause there. So then I hit this open E string here. That will be like a bridge for all these chords here to the next chord. So clap and then open E. And then we go to the E chord here. So that will be open E again. And then you're gonna play the second A string together with the second D string. And then clap. And then open E again. And pause here as well. And then second A and second D. And clap. And you have this open E again as a bridge to the next chord. So the pattern for the A and the E part will be exactly the same. The only thing is you need to just switch chords there. And they're pretty much the same there as well. You just go up everything 1 string here. So you start with the open A and the second on the D and G string, and clap, open E as a bridge, and then you just move up everything. So you will play the open E now instead, and the second A and second D with together, and the claps and everything. Everything is the same here for A and E. And when you have played this open E as a bridge to the next chord, which will be the B, then you will forget about this B standard chord up here, because we'll need to take the chord here. Okay, so this grip will be 7th here on the E string in the bass, then 6th fret on the A string, and 4th fret on the D string. So the pattern will be the same. You will play the 7th fret E string as the bass, and then you're gonna play the A and the D string together. Clap, and then 7th fret E string bass, and A and D together, clap, and this open E as a bridge. But this time you do everything again, because you will have 1 time on A, you can say, and 1 time on E, and 2 times on B. So this bridge just leads you back to another round of the same chord. So bridge, and same again, and bridge, which is the open E all the time, and then it goes back to A again. So that is this intro here. I will play it slow for you. Perhaps I will play it very slow so you can really get everything here. So yeah, follow me. Right, and if we speed up, that was 1 round, we speed up a little bit, it will sound like this. And in standard, yeah, so that will be the intro, and you will play that for 1 round only, and then starts the verse there. So for the verse, you will start with 2 rounds of the same pattern here. So and then it goes back again. And then we're gonna start on the 3rd round, so to speak, but it will change a little bit here. So it starts in the same way. A, E, and then B. And only there, you will stop there. So 1 time on A, 1 time on E, 1 time on B only. So half rounds of the B. And then the second half, you can say, that will go on here from B, will be based upon the C sharp minor, and then back on B again. Okay, so this 3rd round will be like we said here, starts in the same way: A 1 time, E 1 time, B 1 time only, and then you go to the C sharp minor, but you will forget about this grip here with the standard chord. The C sharp minor will be up here. So the grip will be 9th fret here on the E string here in the bass, then 7th fret on the A string, and 6th fret on the D string. Okay, so when you play this B part 1 time to this C sharp minor, and you're gonna play A, then E, then B, okay, and then you just move up here to the C sharp minor and play only like that. So that will be 1 time on the bass, E string, and you answer with the with the A and the D together, and 1 clap, and you go back immediately to the B and play the same there. So one time on the E string in the bass, and then A and D together and clap. And then you go back for a fourth round there. But if we just repeat this third round, so again, slowly it will be like this. And then go up to the C sharp minor, only like that, and you go back to the B. All right, so together. And on the fourth round, you just go the same way as you played in the first and second. A 2 times, E 2, so A 1 time, E 1 time, and B 2 times. So. Yeah, that's the verse here. So in total, 4 rounds. Now, next is the pre-chorus, and here is where you need to play the full chords here. You will play the chord progression A, just 1 down, E, 1 down, B, 1 down, then C sharp minor and B. So it will be like that only, and that is the pre-chorus. Only these chords there, and then it goes to the chorus here. So the chorus will be played in the same way as we learned in the verse there, this special third round, with this A, E, and the B, and the C sharp, B, and it goes on like that. So that was 1 round, and you're gonna play that for 5 rounds in total, this chorus. So let's go for a couple of rounds. I'm gonna play maybe 2 rounds slower, and then I'm gonna speed up and play a couple of rounds in the standard tempo. So let's go. Stand. Yeah, so that's the chorus. Now, there's not that much new to this song here, since the next verse there, the second verse, will be played in the exact same way as the first verse. And the same goes for the pre-chorus there. And then it ends with a chorus, and it will be played in the same way as well. The only difference here is we have this extra part in the end there. And in the lyrics is the last time he sings, forget about the party, come to mind, yeah, yeah. So you will just play an extra round of the E, B, and then C sharp minor. And it ends like that. So the only difference here is this extra part, and it sounds like this together. And that ends this cool soft song from Majid Jordan called Forget About the Party. So yeah, check this one up, and yeah, it's a great song and very easy to play. Goes in the same way, you can say, through the entire song here, and very easy to gather around and sing along. So great choice to have when you meet up with your friends and have a soft moment there. So yeah, good luck and see you soon, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and play tuned.